Hi guys, welcome to another AI accredited video. In today's video, we'll be exploring HeyGen, an AI tool perfect for creating virtual avatars that are so realistic you won't even notice. HeyGen is an AI video generator that will allow you to use virtual avatars crafted from real-life actors. These avatars have really natural gestures. The way they move their hands and talk are so smooth that you can use them for any social media or video post as a virtual influencer. You can choose from a vast library of avatars or clone yourself and save tons of time in your content creation process. Each avatar has different poses and backgrounds, offering a wide range of options. Some even have a transparent background so you can place them in the right location. The video creation lets you fine-tune the movements and facial expressions for a more engaging and natural-looking avatar. You can modify the clothing, backgrounds, and styles to fit any scenario, from business meetings to social media content. A great feature is that you can build an interactive avatar trained for your needs that will be capable of answering questions and guide an audience with intelligent, lifelike conversations. And the best part? It can be in any language. Part of HeyGen's features is that you can take any of your old videos and translate them in any language, so you can repurpose your old content to give it a fresh start, reaching new audiences in another language. If you can't find an avatar in the library that fits your specific needs, don't worry. You can use the built-in AI engine to create your very own avatar from a text prompt in 4 easy steps. To start creating your avatars, head to the Sign Up for Free button at the top of the screen and sign up using your email address or Google account. You'll be redirected to the pricing page where you can choose your preferred subscription plan. Subscription plans range from $0 to $30 per month. So, to try out how HeyGen works, the free plan is a really good option to explore. After selecting your plan, you'll be asked a few questions about your default or preferred language. What would you like to create with HeyGen? What's your general role? And how you heard about HeyGen? Once you've answered all these questions, you'll land on HeyGen's main dashboard, where you can choose any of the quick access options like create a video, create an avatar, or translate a video. Let's start with create a video. Click it, and you'll be redirected to the video creation interface. Here you have 2 panels. The left side panel lets you write the script for your video with the words the avatar will say, and the right panel shows you the avatar preview. Anything you write on the script panel will automatically be turned into voice, but it won't be visible on your avatar until you generate the complete video. Type in your script and test the voice by clicking the play button in the timeline at the bottom of the right panel.
Hi, this is an AI accredited video showing you the capabilities of HeyGen. Hi, this is an AI accredited video showing you the capabilities of HeyGen.
You can also preview the script audio by clicking the preview button at the top of the screen next to the Generate button. If you're happy with the audio transcript, then click the Generate button to generate the full video in sync with the audio.
Hi, this is an AI accredited video showing you the capabilities of HeyGen.
From this screen, you can download your video, share it with your friends, translate it, or edit and generate again. Let's get back to the home dashboard and explore some of the other tools on HeyGen. In the left side panel, you'll see the menu options, such as the Projects folder, where you can organize your generated avatar projects, the Templates section, with a ready-made selection of templates for you to use that are organized by categories. The Avatar section with all of HeyGen's avatars organized by categories. If you pay close attention to each avatar, you'll see that some of them have a number of looks under the avatar name. This means that the avatar has different poses, clothing, or backgrounds you can choose for that avatar. The list of avatars is really extensive and fits almost any category you can think of. When clicking on any avatar, you can see a small demo of the avatar's look and voice.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started.
To use that avatar, click on the Create with AI Studio button and select to create a new landscape or portrait video. This will immediately take you to the script section so you can type or copy and paste your desired script. Click Generate to start generating your video and download it when ready.
This is the new generation of AI avatars. Welcome to HeyGen, the only tool you'll need from now on.
Moving on with the tools, let's take a look at the AI voice library HeyGen has ready for us. The voice list goes on forever. It has a great variety of accents and a brief description of what the voice is perfect for. One great feature is that you can choose the mood of the voice by clicking the list with the emoji and selecting the mood you need for your avatar. It can be excited, serious, soothing, angry, or even a news reporter. The next section is the brand section. Here you can customize the colors, logos, fonts, and backgrounds that match your brand in order to keep a consistent brand presence all across your videos. Here you can see the demo brand kit HeyGen has, so you can see which elements are acceptable for your brand kit. HeyGen has a lot of integrations for you to explore more creative and useful ways to use HeyGen with other AI tools and platforms like HubSpot, Adobe Express, Canva, or even ChatGPT. Now, back to the avatar section. Let's create a new avatar. Go to the avatar section and click Create New Avatar. Here you can choose to create a hyper-realistic avatar by uploading video and photos of the desired avatar to train the model and transform it into an avatar of your own. Create an avatar using existing photos to create the different looks, or generate a new avatar from scratch directly from a text prompt. To create an avatar from a text prompt, you have a number of options to select. First, select your avatar's name, age, gender, ethnicity. Describe the appearance, the orientation between landscape, portrait, or square, the pose, and the style. For this example, we'll choose a sample prompt for the description of the avatar. When you're ready with the settings, click the Generate Avatar button. It will take around 15 to 30 seconds for your new avatar to be generated. When it's ready, HeyGen will give you 4 options to choose from, or you can choose to generate again with the same prompt or edit the prompt to add any additional details for your avatar. If you're happy with the results, select one and click Save. Next step is to select a voice for the avatar. HeyGen will automatically select a voice that matches you avatar if you click the Choose a Voice for Me button. If you want to manually choose a voice, click the Add a Voice button to choose from a list of samples. If you let HeyGen choose the voice for you and you end up not liking it, you can change it anytime. When you click to accept your settings, it will take a few seconds for your new avatar to be ready to use.
Hi, I am a generated voice, and this is how I sound. This is a quick demonstration of my vocal abilities. Please select me as your new voice.
To create a video using your new avatar, click the avatar image and select Create with AI Studio. Select the orientation for the video and go to the script screen. Type in your script and generate the video.
Hi, I'm Lynn, the AI-accredited channel avatar.
The result is awesome, but keep in mind that prompt-generated avatars won't have that natural hand movements and gestures of an actor-generated avatar, so choose wisely the use case for your avatars. And that's it for today, guys. Keep creating with AI tools and expand limits. See you in the next video.